Thinking about selling your home, but are you worried about unexpected repair costs? Find out how you can get inspections done before you list your home and save you time, money, and stress. Hi, I'm Maureen Mahood, broker owner of Sell Your Home Charlotte here in beautiful Charlotte, North Carolina. And selling your home should be a smooth and predictable process. So let's talk about why conducting inspections beforehand can be a game changer. Okay. Number one, it's important to know your home's condition. As a seller, understanding the condition of your property is crucial. No one wants surprises, especially not costly ones, like a $750,000 termite repair bill. Such unexpected expenses can disrupt your financial plan, especially if you're counting on that sale to finance your next home purchase. Number two, strategic benefits of pre-listing inspections. Here's why it's strategic to consider pre-listing inspections: transparency and trust. By identifying and disclosing issues up front, you can list your home as is while being upfront about the condition or choose to fix any major issues, enhancing your home's appeal. Remember, buyers are going to do inspections, so they're going to know about these things. So this is us getting ahead of it. It's a faster transaction. This speeds up the transaction and the selling process by reducing the back and forth over repairs during the negotiation phase. You avoid last-minute negotiations that can significantly lower your net proceeds from the sale. Now, recommended inspections. What do I recommend? Typically, I advise getting a home inspection, a roof inspection, a termite inspection, and addressing critical repairs, particularly the health and safety repairs and any termite work, because an active termite infestation is a deal stopper for most buyers. You want to make your home attractive and the transaction ready, ensuring there are no holdups with bank financing. Enhancing buyer confidence is another reason why you do this. Pre-listing inspections give potential buyers great confidence in the condition of the home, making it more likely that they'll proceed with the purchase and put a larger diligence amount down. They also provide assurance to lenders, increasing the likelihood that financing will be approved without delays. If you're considering selling your home and want a transparent, efficient sale, contact me, Maureen Mahood, broker owner of Sell Your Home Charlotte, and let me help you prepare your home for the market so you can move forward with confidence. Visit our website for more information and subscribe for more real estate tips. Thanks for watching. I'm Maureen Mahood, here to ensure your home selling experience is as profitable and stress-free as possible. Stay tuned for more insights to help you navigate the real estate market here in Charlotte, North Carolina. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for updates on new videos, and check out our other content for everything you need to know about buying or selling homes in the Charlotte Metro.